How to use PrivatVPN on iPhone. In today's world, ensuring your online privacy and security is essential. PrivatVPN offers a simple and effective solution for protecting your internet connection on your iPhone. Here is how you can use PrivatVPN on your iPhone. And before we get started, you are welcome to log in or register via the link in the description. Start by downloading the PrivatVPN app from the App Store on your iPhone. Search for PrivatVPN and download the app to your device. Once the app is downloaded, open it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your iPhone. After installation, launch the PrivatVPN app on your iPhone by tapping on its icon. If you already have a PrivatVPN account, log in using your credentials, email, and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for one directly within the app. Once logged in, you'll see a list of available server locations. Choose a server location by tapping on it to connect to that server. You can also use the search bar to find specific server locations. After selecting a server, tap the Connect button to establish a VPN connection. Once connected, you'll see a notification indicating that your connection is secure. To disconnect from VPN, simply return to the PrivatVPN app and tap the Disconnect button. Using PrivatVPN on your iPhone is a straightforward process that helps protect your online privacy and security while browsing the internet. By following these steps, you can enjoy a secure and encrypted connection to your iPhone wherever you go. Thank you for learning how to use PrivatVPN on iPhone with us. We hope this guide helps you stay safe and secure online. And remember, you can log in or register via the link in the description. Happy browsing, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.